Good morning, student. Today's the topic for chapter 4, class 10th, quadratic equation, exercise 4.3, question number 8. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. फाइंड द स्पीड ऑफ द ट्रेन. स्टूडेंट्स हमें ट्रेन की यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड फाइंड करनी है. नाउ द सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, लेट द स्पीड ऑफ constant speed या speed uniform speed of the train is x kilometer per hour. X kilometer per hour, and distance covered by the train, distance traveled by the train is 360 kilometer. So time taken to cover the distance by train is 360 upon x. 360 upon x half. You know that the formula for distance, student. Distance is equal to speed multiplied by the time. And the time is equal to distance divided by the speed. So time taken to cover the distance by the train, 360 kilometer means is the distance, and x is an uniform speed of the train, 360 upon x half. Increasing speed by the train, it's 5 km per hour. So the speed of the train is x plus 5 km per hour. And the time taken by the train. Time taken by the train to cover the distance is 360 upon x plus 5 half. According to question, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey if speed had been increased by 5 km per hour. So according to question, it's a uniform speed. The time is 360 upon x is equal to, and the increasing speed, the time is 360 upon x plus 5 plus 1. So 360 upon x and 360 upon x plus 5 transpose on left hand side. 360 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1. The LCM of x and x plus 5, so cancels 360 into x plus 5 minus cancel x multiplied by 360 is equal to 1. Now the next step is 360 multiply x plus 5, 360x plus 360 multiplied by the 5 is, the value is 1800, and the negative sign 360x upon, so multiply by the x multiply x plus 5 is x square plus 5x is equal to 1. The numerator 360 cancelled by the negative 360. So 1800 upon x square plus 5x is equal to 1. The cross multiply. The required quadratic equation is x square plus 5x is equal to 1800. So x square plus 5x minus The 1800 convert in the transpose in the left hand side is minus 1800. So it's a required quadratic equation. By using the factorizations, your quadratic formula, splitting your quadratic formula, the factorize of x square plus 5x minus 1800, it's 45x minus 40x minus 1800 is equal to 0. The common for first two and the common for last two terms. So x is in common, x plus 45 minus 40 is a common, x plus 45 is equal to 0. X plus 45 is again common, x plus 45, now x and minus 40 is in two factor, so x plus 45 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to minus 40 and x minus 40 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 40. X is equal to minus 45. It's a negative speed. Okay, we will the reject. It's a reject for the negative speed. Okay, it's a reject because speed will cannot be negative. So yeah, hence the speed of train is 40 kilometer per hour. Thanks. Hello student. The next questions for exercise 4.3, question number 9. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 93 upon 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Solutions. First of all, students, let the time taken by the larger tap to fill the tank is equal to x hour, and time taken to smaller tap to fill the tank is equal to 10 hours less is add for the value x plus 10 hours. So the larger tap can fill the tank in 1 hour is equal to 1 upon x hour. Smaller tap can fill the tank in 1 hour. It's 1 upon x plus 10. Two water tap can fill the tank. Two water taps can fill the tank in 93 upon 8 hours, means 75 upon 8 hours. And two water tap can fill the tank in 1 hour. It's 8 upon, it's a reciprocal, it's 8 upon 75. According to question, two water tap can fill the tank in 93 upon 8 hours. Find the time taken by the each tap can separately fill the tank. It's 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 10 is equal to 8 upon 75. Now the LCMs of left hand side, x and x plus 10. Okay. cancel x to x, so x plus 10. Next x plus 10, x plus 10 is cancel. Now x multiplied by the 1 is x is equal to 8 upon 75. The next step, x plus x is equal to 2x plus 10 upon the multiply is x square plus 10x is equal to 8 upon 75. Now the cross multiply. 8 multiplied by the x square plus 10x and 75 multiply 2x plus 10. Now next step is 8 multiplied by x square, it's 8x square. 8 multiplied by 10x is 80x is equal to 75 into 2x is 150x. 75 plus 10 multiply is 750. Now the transpose in the left hand side is 8x square plus 80x minus 150x minus 750 is equal to 0. Hence the quadratic equation is 8x square 80x plus and minus 150x. Now adding, now the sum value is 70x minus 750 is equal to 0. The common for this quadratic equation, 2 is in common. So 4x square minus 35x minus 375 is equal to 0. So the required quadratic equation is 4x square minus 35x minus 375 is equal to 0. Factorization by splitting middle term. Comparing the general form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now a is equal to 4 and b is equal to minus 35 and the c, the value of c is equal to minus 375. By splitting middle term factorizations method, it's 4x square, 4 multiply 375 is 4 multiply 375 is minus 1500 and the sum is minus 35. So the two factor is minus 60x plus 25x minus 375 is equal to 0. The common for first two and the last two is 4 common for x. Now x minus 15 plus it's a common for 25, x minus 15 is equal to 0. X minus 15 is again common, x minus 15 and 4x plus 25 is equal to 0. X minus 15 is equal to 0. 4x plus 25 is equal to 0. Now the value of x is equal to 15 and the value of x is equal to minus 25 upon 4. This value is reject because the time is cannot be negative. So the larger tap can fill the tank. Like the first point, the larger tap can fill the tank is equal to larger tap can fill the tank is equal to 15 ha and the smaller tap can fill the tank is equal to x plus 10. Put the value of x, 15 plus 10 is equal to 25 ha. Thank you, student.